Now let's deal with a numerical expression that is just a little bit more complicated. Now we're looking at a math problem that has three different operations. We have division in this problem, we have addition, and we have multiplication. Now let's go through the process of figuring out which one of those operations we do first and which one comes second, and then which one comes third, because we have three different operations. Well, let's go through our 6 letters and see how this works. Once again, the letter P stands for parentheses, but I look at this expression, I see no parentheses, I've checked for that, I'll move along now. The E stands for exponent. Once again, I look at this problem, I don't see an exponent with any of those numbers. Now I move on to the letter M and the letter D, M standing for multiplication and D standing for division. Now I have both of those operations in this problem. Question is, which one do I do first? Do I do the multiplication or do I do the division? Now, a common mistake that students make in this kind of situation is they look at the letter M and they see that it comes before the letter D in our memory device. And so they conclude that because M comes first and D comes second, that you would always do multiplication first and then division second. But that is not the case. Don't make that mistake. When you have a numerical expression that has both division and multiplication in the same problem, you do the operation that comes first in the problem as you work left to right. So in this particular case, because the division comes first in the problem before the multiplication, we will do the division first. And as I do, I will put my own parentheses around that operation to remind myself that's what I do first. 15 divided by 3 is 5. I've done that part of the problem. I will now bring down the remainder of the problem that I have yet to solve. Now I have the operations of multiplication and addition left. Which one do I do first? Well, in our memory device, the M and the D come together first before the A and the S. So I will always do multiplication or division before I would do the addition or the subtraction. So now I do my multiplication next. It comes first before the letter A here. That stands for addition. 4 times 2 is 8. I've done that part of the problem. I bring down the remainder of my problem. The only operation that I have left in this expression is addition. So I finish the 5 plus the 8, and that equals 13.